So today's lesson is on nouns, specifically common and proper nouns. So if you remember from your previous studies, a noun is a person, place, or thing, or the name of a person, place, or thing. So the two types of nouns we're going to be going over today are common nouns and proper nouns. So common nouns are the names of general people, places, or things. So they're not specific names, they're just people, places, or things. They don't need a capital letter. It only needs to start with a small letter. So for example, the boy, train, and station. The boy went by train from the station. Those are all nouns, and they're all common nouns. Okay, a proper noun is the actual name of a particular person, place, or thing. They need capital letters because they're names. For example, Tom went by Eurostar. That's the name of the train. And Tom is the name of the boy from London. So that's the name of the place, the station. Okay, so do you see the differences between a common and proper noun? The common noun is just the general place, station, school, okay? And the proper noun is the actual name of it. So the London station or LIS school, okay? So proper nouns need capital letters. Okay, so in the first activity here, getting started, what you're going to do is use this lined paper that we've given you. Okay, and you're going to write each noun from the box in the correct column. So these are all your nouns, and you need to split them into proper nouns and common nouns. Okay, so you're going to use a ruler if you have one, and you can create a table. Okay, so on this piece of paper, you're going to write number 1, and then you're going to create your table. So proper noun and common nouns. Okay, use a ruler if you can, and now we're going to look for the proper nouns in this list. So all the nouns that are the actual names of places, people, or things. Okay, so the first one we find is Snow White. It's the name of a person or a character. So I'm going to put Snow White in this column. And then the next one, crocodile. Is that a common or a proper noun? It's a common noun because it's not the specific name of a crocodile. It is just a crocodile. Okay, so that's what you do for question number 1. Okay, in the next section, you're going to, it says to copy these sentences, but you can do it right on this page, it's fine. Underline the proper nouns and circle the common nouns. Okay, so the first one has been done to help you. So the coach to Birmingham was full. The common noun is coach, and the proper noun is Birmingham. It's the name, so I'm going to underline that. Okay, so you're going to do that for the rest of the sentences. Number 2, complete this alphabetical list of people and places. Don't worry if you can't think of a name or a place for every letter. So it's going from A, B, C. So the next one is D, right? So, for example, this is question number 2. And you're going to start with D. So you need a name. So Danny lives in Denver. Okay? If you can't think of a real name for a place, that's fine. You can make one up, but just make sure that you've added a capital letter and made it a proper noun, okay? All right, in this next section, you need to practice your punctuation. So punctuate these sentences correctly. So I'd like you to actually copy the sentence down because there's a lot of editing. So in question number 1, A, Anne Moore lives in Edinburgh. So you're going to title this section. This is the punctuation section. Number 1, A. Anne Moore, so we need a capital because it's the actual name of a place. A name of a person. Moore lives Edinburgh, also the name of a place, so it needs to be capitalized, right? And what else do we need? A full stop, right? Okay, so you're going to do that for the rest of those sentences, and then it asks you to underline the proper nouns and circle the common nouns. So the proper nouns are Anne, Moore, and Edinburgh. There aren't any common nouns in this sentence. Okay, so do that for the rest of those sentences, okay?